All right, my Ford Mustang been running hot. As you see, I'm driving it right now. I thought it may be a blown head gasket or something like that, or maybe some other problem. But if you look at the temperature gauge, you look at it, it's on the hot side. I done tried everything, so I'm gonna try some of this Blue Devil. I heard some good things about it, so I'm gonna go by the instructions. I'm gonna follow the instructions here and see what happened. So like I said, I followed the instructions. I put the Blue Devil in, then I capped it off with some antifreeze. And once I capped it off, I let it sit there idle for a while and run like the instructions said. And I waited a while and I took it for another test drive. And I followed the instructions by the book. And this is what happened. Still running hot. So what I did, I took it to the mechanic and he took the thermostat out, and he was being honest with me, and he didn't own the place, but he said, try driving this thing without the thermostat. But his boss told him, hey, you need to change the gaskets. It's gonna cost you $2,500–$3,000. You probably need to put a new motor. So you can see how corroded this is. The water wasn't circulating. So what I did, I told him just leave it out, don't tell his boss. And they charged me like $30 to take it out and put it back on. So as you can see, it's in bad shape. So after I changed this thermostat out, I've been driving this car for 2 hours now. Look at the heat. It's right in the middle. So I'm gonna drive it for another couple of weeks, and it ain't even trying to run hot, you know. So I say the first thing you want to do is just take that thermostat out and try it and make sure it ain't clogged. It's not clogged out. And like it's in Houston now, I don't need to put it back in. It's 100 degrees. Maybe when winter come, I'm gonna put the thermostat back in, and so it can heat the car up, so maybe I can get more heat. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna keep driving this vehicle, and I give you an update in a couple of weeks. Change your thermostat. It's a $10–15 part, very easy to do. And you may get this results that I'm getting right here. Driving it for 2 hours. Before I was driving it for about 2 or 3 minutes. It ran hot. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.